Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to buy Ethereum on binance, then to sell it for profit on Passful. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Take this video as educational purpose. So I'm going to walk you through how you can do this and try to do your own research. So first step you need to do is have money in your Binance account. In this video I'm using I assume we are using $500 to make this trade. So buy Ethereum $500. If I buy Ethereum at this price now, I'm going to receive 0.3839. That's the amount of Ethereum I'm going to buy. So I'm going to just take note of this Ethereum we are going to be getting on our spot wallet. So we are going to transfer this to Passful. Mind you, for you to be able to transfer this fund to Passful is not going to cost you a lot as before. So it's going to cost you maybe $5 for you to be able to transfer this to Passful. And after doing that, you need to copy this address on Passful, then send it to Passful. After doing that, you will receive the money in your wallet over here. After receiving the money in your wallet, you press sell. See, this person is willing to buy your Ethereum you bought on Binance at 30% over market price. I would say it's too good to be truth. So I will advise you to do your own research on this person you are trying to trade with. This is another 24% over the market price. This is another 17%. Let me check this guy over here. Bank transfer. Let me make a little research about this guy. He has 201 positive feedback and 0 negative feedback. An ID card, he has the verification address, everything, email address, telephone number. Average trade speed is instant. So I think this guy he has a lot of positive feedback. Mind you, if you want to trade with this, you can decide on your own to trade or not. So make sure you do your own research. So if you remember, we bought 0. What happened? We bought 0.3837 worth of Ethereum. That's how much we got when we use $500 to buy Ethereum on Binance. Let's say the transaction fee, we have 0.3837 left. And mind you need to select how you want to receive this fund. Selling this Ethereum you bought on Binance, you will receive 459,283 naira. That's how much you will receive when you sell this Ethereum to this person over here. Mind you, if you are getting value in this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. If you don't understand this video, you can rewind, watch the video from the beginning again, so for you to understand the process. So after selling this Ethereum to this guy over here for 459,283 naira. So you go back to Binance P2P, here over here. Then you will use this option Express, buy with naira. You remember we sell the Ethereum for 9283. That's how much we sell the USDT we Ethereum we sell on Paxful. So buy it this back. Basically, if we bought this USDT back, we are making a profit of $120. That's how much we are going to profit on this trade. Make sure you do your own research. If you like this process and you like to take the risk, then you can make this trade. So that's how basically you can find this arbitrage opportunity on Paxful by transferring your Ethereum you buy on Binance to Paxful, then sell it on Paxful, then use the naira you get in your account, then use it to buy USDT back. So let me go to the calculator. If you remember, we said this 490 this amount we said this Ethereum on Paxful, that's only 459,280 naira. That's how much we got. Then we bought USDT 620, then minus 500. We used to start the trade, initial our capital. So we made 120 profits on this trade. Mind you, sometimes there won't be this chance, so you need to be online, then try to find this kind of trade so you can make the profit on this trade. So that's how you do this process basically. So guys, if you get value in this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn off the notification bell, so anytime I upload another video on my channel, you won't miss any video. And comment on this comment section below. Tell me what do you think about this video, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know what do you want me to talk about on this channel, you want me to make video about. So thank you guys for your time. See you on the next video.